So this is Tanny. I'm back with the first video. So today I wanted to try making a Batwing dress. It has been on my wish list slash to-do list to do forever. So today I'm gonna attempt it. We're gonna get it done today. I got this jersey knit fabric from Fabric Land. So yeah, we're gonna attempt it today. This is a two-way stretch, not four-way. Yeah, I think this is the perfect color, perfect coral pink. So, let's go. So, the skirt portion, I'm gonna use the more stretch side of it. So I'm just gonna like kind of measure how like long I want it. Of course, I don't want it too short, neither too long. And I just have a skirt here that I'm gonna use as like my pattern to, get the like shape I want, and then add extra for like seam allowance so that it's not too tight. Of course, it's better to have cut it bigger than smaller.
Switch the story up, I know I'm mad. I'm trying to put my little hips on you. Taste of your lips, I'm on the rise. Tinted for a kiss, thirsty for a sip. Dripping down my lips. Sick, I'm slipping on the high volume. I think I'm ready now. Intoxicating now. I think I'm ready now.
Yeah, almost done. It's taking me longer because I've been filming too, but so this is like how it looks. So these will be the sleeves, and then of course the bottom is the skirt. So the next step, I have to cut like a little hole here, not too big, not too small. I think I kind of want it to like slant a little bit, but not too much. So I'm probably gonna cut it just a little bit, just to make sure it's not like falling off the shoulder too much. And then, I don't know, I may leave these raw, the edges raw, instead of flipping them, making them look cleaner, because I feel like that goes with the dress, or at least for this fabric. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Gonna cut a little hole here for the head, and voila.
I can't wait, I need a hit. Baby, get me in. You're dangerous, I'm loving it. Turns you high, can't calm down. Turns in my head.